You're trying to order from Aliexpress and you're still doubting if this platform is a scam or a legit platform. Well, you know more because in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can order from Aliexpress, how you can set up your account and then know which product is a real product or a fake product, and how you can also purchase. So I'm also going to be showing you my recent orders on Aliexpress. But before I get started, if you're new to my channel, please kindly do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. That's anytime I release a new video like this, can wait to get notification for that.
So before we can be able to proceed to this, the first thing you need to do for you to be able to shop on AliExpress, first you need to create an account. So creating an account is very easy. You just need to come to this create account section. You come to register, click on register. So you input your email. Then the next part, I'm going to be asking you some stuff. But creating accounts on AliExpress is very easy. Or you can even use your Facebook, Google, X or Apple logins just for you to log in automatically. So once you have created your account, so we can be able to proceed to the next step. So let me just quickly log into my account now. So now I've logged into my account. You can see let me just go to my orders. You can see that I have ordered a lot of things. So this is the particular stuff that I've ordered on this website. So now for you to be able to make your order, so the second part of this video is how you can be able to know legit stores so that you can be able to make your orders and all that. So now I'm just going to be explaining some categories here. If you look at this category, so we are on bundle deals. So this bundle deals, if I click on it, then we are going to be redirected to this page. So this bundle deals, what it actually means. So it means that we are going to be picking 3 items, then we have free shipping. Unlike you coming to this page like this and just order. If you don't order above $10, you are going to be paying for shipping. So once it's above $10, you are going to be getting a free shipping on AliExpress. But if you are using this bundle deal, so you just need to order like 3 items. So you just need to come to this side, this bundle. You can see we are on bundle deals, and the stuff here is very, very. So let me say I want to order something like okay, let me say this charger. So this cable, then just going to be scrolling down and for more details. If you look at this place now, we are going to be seeing some reviews. So we are going to be seeing some reviews, people that have actually bought this product. So for you to be able to identify a legit product or a legit store, these are the things you need to pay attention to. First, checking the reviews to know how quality the product is, because you cannot just go and buy things that you don't know the review of that particular product. So you need to check the reviews, and once you see a good review on that particular product, you can be able to go for it. If you look at now this place, so you are going to be seeing 1006 reviews. So which means that a lot of people have actually purchased this particular product and is good to go, which means that if you want to purchase it, you can also purchase this product, or you can just go to the shop store, the store info. Just go to the business info, or so for you to know the store, how long they have been doing their stuff and all that. All right, so this is the business info, but for you to know more about this particular stuff, so let's check the store page. So for us to be able to see the store page and how many products they have sold so far. So if you are using a mobile phone to access this store, so I think locating the shop profile will be very very much easy. So if it's just for you to know the let me say the amount of products that has been sold on this particular website. So what we just need to do now, once we have already checked our review and all that, we need to buy. So that is the stuff. But in this bundle sales, you need to select at least three. So let me say you come to this weekend deal. This weekend deals is having a super deals of the weekend. So they'll be giving some discounts every weekend and all that. So depending on kind of things you want. Then this save big is like buying things that are more expensive, cheaper rates. So they also have bundle deal like bulk buying in bulk. If you're a reseller and you want to start selling or start doing shipping, business, importation and all that. So you just need to go for the bulk option. Once you go for the bulk option, you are going to be buying it on a large quantity on a very cheap rate. So now once we have selected our page, let me say selected our product and all that. So we need to go to the next step. So the next step is how to order. So let me say we want to order from this bundle deal. So this bundle deals, you are going to be getting a whole lot of cheap stuff. This cheap stuff here. So this weekend on this bundle, so I'm going to be getting a lot of cheap stuff here. So let me say I selected three stuff here now, which is okay, let me just select the random stuff. One, I add to cart. I pick this one. You can see pick two more for free shipping. Then we pick again. I pick this one to be counted. So remaining one, we pick again. Oh, then it's going to be added. Then you click on this checkout. You can see the total payment is let me say $22,000. 22,000. Let me just say 22,300, just something approximate to that. So now the next step, once you have already selected the products that you wanted to order, the next step we need to click on checkout so that we can be able to make payment. So now Aliexpress have already make this payment method easier for us, which means that if you don't have a dollar card, because normally we need to get dollar card for us to be able to pay, but now they have introduced a new payment option, which is OPay. So once you have an OPay account, you can easily use your OPay to pay if you don't have a dollar card. So once you have your OPay, you can just click on this OPay, then you click on pay now. They are going to be direct you to a page where you just need to log into your OPay stuff. It's very secure, fast and easy. And make sure that when creating your account, make sure that you put your address, your postal code and all that, so that you can be able to get your shipping. Once you put all this, trust me, you are not going to be having issue while ordering stuff on AliExpress. So this is how you can be able to order stuff from AliExpress straight to Nigeria. So if you find this video useful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up, so that anytime I release a video like this, you can be able to get notification for that. So see you in my next video.